Hey guys, welcome back to this series of HTML. In the previous video, we have learned about the lists, and in this video, we will learn about class attribute and ID attribute. So let's get started. Alright, what does class attribute do? If we have some HTML elements and we want to group all of those elements to call with a single word, we use classes. But why do we need to use this class attribute? If you want to give some stylings, before we have given the stylings in the tag itself. But if we have the same type of tag and we want to have same stylings, we cannot write the whole style in the tag. It's not the way for the developer. So if we create a class for the tag, and we can directly specify the styles to the class name. So let's see the example. Now we have a special tag which we will frequently use from now. That is div tag. This is the tag which we use to group the elements, which is also called as the parent tag. So from now, whatever HTML elements we write, we will keep them inside the div tag. So less than div greater than and less than slash div greater than. And in this div, I'll give a heading that will be less than h1 greater than hypertext markup language, and I'll close this with less than slash h1 greater than. I'll copy this for another 2 times. And now I want this heading to be in red color and the font size of this heading should be 40 pixels. Previously, what we have done is we will give these styles inside the tag using the style attribute. But now I'll specify the class name for this div. So that will be class is equal to hello. I'll copy this and paste it in all the divs. And now, where do we need to specify the styles? In the head tag, we will open the tag called style, that is less than style and less than slash style greater than. In this style tag, we need to use the class name which is hello. To give the styles, we need to start with the dot followed by the class name. So dot hello, and I'll open the braces, and the property name, that will be color, and the property value red. So next one, I need the font size to be 40 pixels. That means font hyphen size colon 40 pixels. So save this file and see the output. So I got the heading in red color and the font size is 40 pixels. You can also give more styles, but we have not discussed more styles till now. We will do that in the coming videos. And now, here I have 3 divs. And I want one div to be center and other divs to be on left side. But if I specify the style in this hello class, it will be applied to all the divs. So how could you do that? I'll use another class, let's say main. And in the style tag above, I'll say dot main, and I'll open the braces, and I'll say text hyphen align colon center. So save this file and see the output. So I got the first heading in the center and others on the left. So as you can see, you can use multiple classes to specify the styles. And here we have used the class to specify the styles for some group of HTML elements. Let's suppose I have another element in the class itself. Say I have a heading that is h2 greater than, this is heading, and less than slash h2 greater than. And I don't want this heading to have the same styles as the class hello, but I need some other styles. So I'll use an attribute called ID, that is equal to heading. And now in the styles, hash heading, since this is an ID, we use the hash to start, and if it is a class, we need to start with the dot and followed by the class name. So I'll open the braces and I'll say color colon blue. And if you see the output, this heading is in blue color irrespective of the style in the class. It's not that the ID will have a priority. The style is directly given to the tag, but in the case of hello, we have it to the parent tag, which is the div. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.